In this video, we will explore the world of silk fashion in India, including its history, production process, and cultural significance. Silk is a luxurious and timeless fabric that has a long history in India. Indian silk is known for its quality, variety, and intricate designs. The history of silk in India dates back over 4,000 years. Indian silk was initially produced in the state of Karnataka, and it was prized for its lustrous sheen and softness. Over time, the production of silk spread to other parts of India, including West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. The production process for silk involves the cultivation of silkworms, which spin cocoons that are harvested for their silk threads. Silk production is a complex process that involves several stages, including 1. Silkworm rearing. This involves breeding silkworms, which are the larvae of silk moths. The silkworms are fed a diet of mulberry leaves, and as they grow, they spin cocoons around their bodies using a liquid protein called sericin. 2. Harvesting cocoons. Once the silkworms have completed their metamorphosis into moths, the cocoons are harvested. 3. Boiling cocoons. The cocoons are then boiled in water to loosen the sericin and make it easier to extract the silk threads. 4. Extracting silk threads. The silk threads are extracted from the cocoons by hand or machine. This process is called reeling. 5. Spinning silk yarn. The silk threads are then spun into silk yarn using a spinning wheel or machine. 6. Weaving silk fabric. The silk yarn is then woven into the fabric using a loom. Last step is finishing and dyeing. The woven fabric is finished, cleaned, and dyed to the desired color. India is a major producer of silk, and there are several different types of silk produced in the country. The widely produced silk types include mulberry silk. This is the most common type of silk produced in India. It is made from the cocoons of the silk moth, Bombyx mori, and is known for its soft, lustrous texture and durability. Tussa silk, also known as Tus or Taza silk, this type of silk is produced by silkworms that feed on a diet of oak leaves. Eri silk, also known as Eri or Indi silk, is a type of wild silk produced by the Eri silkworm. Muga silk is a type of wild silk produced in the Indian state of Assam. Silk has long been an important part of Indian culture and is often worn for special occasions such as weddings and festivals. Indian silk is also exported to other countries and is highly sought after for its quality and beauty. From its production process to its use in traditional and modern garments, silk remains an important part of Indian culture and fashion. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel.